Navigation. Look at this weird thing we found. I don't even know where this is, Leah. We're off of 290. We're off of 290 somewhere. This place is really cool.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Main Street.
Old Model A's. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, this is like what American pickers would come and pick. Old plows, canvases.
Oh, this is cool.
Stove. A little Dr. Pepper carrying case.
I have that other Dr. Pepper one.
There is stuff here if I wanted to do something with architectural salvage. Lots of stuff.
Cool.
No, this really is a lot of eye candy. Old bathtubs. I wouldn't mind having that on the farm.
Look at those.
Old
You
Honda.
wanted to put one of those by the gate.
I do. They've got all those wheels.
How much are these?
I don't know. Doesn't look like a lot of things labeled. I see some pricing. $16 on that. $26. $49 on this weird cupboard here. You know.
Oh, it looks like something that would be on Creepshow.
Well, like
You hide the little monster with the
the little
face.
monster's going to be in there and jump out and get me. Here, I'll pick that up. You open it. See if it opens. It did open.
Yeah.
You're right about that. Bill Mills, Laredo. Look at those interesting stoplights from an old motorcycle. That's cool. Man, there a lot of bric-a-brac here. Our kind of place, Leah. $3.
It is $3.
We got $3 all day long. It is a cool thing. It is. Well, you know, this wasn't too far from Smithville, so we could definitely come up here. They've got doors, wooden doors for me. A lot of architectural salvage. Did they said antiques salvage? They were right. $4.50 for this great big toolbox full of tools. You know, that's a good deal, right? $6.50 it said. Still a good deal for a big toolbox and all the tools. Old gas station pump. You know, I appreciate that everything's where you can see it. You know, even though there's a lot of stuff, you know, $60 on that piece of architectural salvage, an old post of some sort. Yeah, I would have loved to have that in my mailbox. Walworth.
No, I like that.
Oh, you like the mantle? $100.
Oh my gosh. Really? Hello? We're in an emergency. I need to call Dylan's head.
To ask him to fix Ford Motor Company's Android.
Android Auto on the front door.
Look at that. They're $100 for that fireplace mantle.
Oh my god.
And on the side it has decorative grates on the, see the sides? They've got the, Art Deco era ventilation on the side.
That'd be a good piece.
Certainly got the right price. But I don't know if I was going to put in. Remember, I was going to put in Adobe style. Oh, but you don't have a fireplace in it.
I know, but I can.
Where would you put that?
Put a TV on it.
Where would you put that? Well, if you love it, I'll get it. It's got the right price. I never will see another mantle for $100.
Oh my gosh.
Pantera show car. What'd you find? Old luggage. Remember when I was looking for old luggage to build a dresser out of, Leah?
Yes.
A table. $33 for these old leather
That is
hard
super
cases.
cheap.
Yeah, it is. You found a little treasure, a Holly Hobby. Aw. You gotta buy that. $3?
4.
Oh, well. Now we have to debate. $4. I'm not sure we want to spend that. Man, I feel like we've only seen maybe a third of this place so far. Old tools. Lots and lots of old tools. You know I love old tools. Well, we found a new place for when you come to Smithville for us to take a little drive.
Oh my gosh, we could be in here for hours. I'm gonna look for a couple of Halloween things.
Instead of a Coca-Cola, this one's Pop Cola. I like that. You know that's original because nobody be remaking that. America's finest cola is this calendar says Fat Lick, and it's in Korea, probably Korean or Vietnamese. That's traveled the world. Holly carburetor, $55. We're road tripping it, and this is a pretty cool little road trip that we weren't going for a destination, were we? Is today Monday the 4th? Yeah, of it's Labor Day, so we're lucky to find anything open at all. But this was a real treat. Lots of tools, like that's a sandblast cabinet if I'd want it. Cherry pickers for engines. Crates. I mean, just everything that you could want. All kinds of structural stuff. I even like the weathering on these chandeliers. They're kind of rusty, and a whole bunch of matching ones if I needed that. Don't know if I need it yet. I got to get done what little bit I have. Then things like that to hold the vise. I love these. That one's expensive though. $250. Property of Humber Oil, it says. Look at these old blacksmiths fans, and that one worked. Lots of old ladders, old tires. Haven't seen a store clerk yet. Been here 20 minutes. Haven't seen a store clerk.
Oh, there's a door to go in.
Oh, there was a door to go in. Oh, we're not even in yet.
No.
This is at the end part. All right, this is off at 290. It said, I think it said antique salvage is what I think it said. And it's going to be on the other side of Manor, right, by a long shot, heading towards College Station.
The street is Dallas Street.
Oh, down Dallas. So look it up. Come visit it. I'm going to stop recording because my phone's going to overheat. But this place is awesome.